Welcome to YeetCommerce.com. Today's video I am going to show you how to add team members and editors in YeetCommerce. To get started, first log into YeetCommerce dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main menu on the left side. Scroll down and click on User Management, which is near the bottom. This will bring you to the user management page where you can see all of your current users. To add a new user, click the plus icon at the top right of the user management section. A form will pop up where you can enter the new user's details like their name, email, and password. Then select their user role. This controls what they can access in your store. For example, choose Editor if you want them to be able to edit products and content. Once you've filled out the form, click the Save button at the bottom. You should get a confirmation message that the new user was registered successfully. And that's it. Just repeat these steps to add as many team members or editors as you need. Press the subscribe button and feel free to ask any questions, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.